Hello, I got your email about this question from 9-2. Now, before you start this assignment, you had to click on Technology Help. So I'm going to verbally give you the directions, but if you look at the Technology Help, you clicked on the first thing on doing this assignment. It provides these steps here I'm about to tell you about. So you want to find the sample size. So you click on Stats. Then go down to Z-stat, one sample with sample size. And again, just go into the homework, click on the technology help for 9-2, and it gives you those steps. And this will come up here. So we want a 99% confidence interval, and then the standard deviation, I guess, let's see, it's given us 19.2, and then the width which is twice the margin of error. So the margin of error is 3, so the width will be 6. So you click compute, and it'll give you that 272 that you're looking after. Then I guess they change it to 95.